Hey, my friend Ronnie K here. I want to talk to you about the fastest way for you to make money online. And of course, I've been advocating for you work full time or you're looking for full time work, you're in transition. And I want to share with you this excellent way for you to make money while you are, working full time. So this is preaching to the choir, but I was reading on marketwatch.com that 57% of Americans have a side hustle. So not to condemn, but you're in the right place at the right time. You're not the only one. And 66% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. And that doesn't mean that you're on the outs, or that doesn't mean that you're unhoused, as what they call it now, homeless. It just means a lot of different things. It could mean that you owe more than you earn. It could mean that maybe you didn't spend your money correctly. It could mean that maybe you got a divorce. Something happened to cause us to live paycheck to paycheck. And what I want to share with you is there is a way for you to take ownership outside of your work, because working is no problem, but there are some parameters there. I want to share with you on how you can come and start your own side hustle, your own part time professional gig, whatever you want to call it. But I want to share with you how you can empower yourself and earn money fast. And I want to share with you a way on how you can do that. So there's three things that you're asking yourself, three questions. And you're asking, is it easy? Does it work? Can I do it? We all ask that. Is it easy? Does it work? Can I do it? Now, I know you're no stranger to hard work, but changing your mindset to go from employee during the day to part time side hustle, part time entrepreneur, it takes a little bit of a shift. All right. So, you do want it to be easy, you do want it to work, and you want to know that you can do it, and you can do all of those. So, there is three things or areas that I've been talking to you about, but I want to talk about one specifically. I've talked to you about affiliate marketing, where you can sell other people's products and services, and that company will pay you. They're not all created equal. The compensation plans are not all the same. Some companies will pay you 5%. Some companies will pay you 100%. Some will pay you by check. Some will pay you digitally. It's just a variety of different things, but that's the area of affiliate marketing. Digital products is an excellent way for you to earn fast. All right. Because as soon as you sell a digital product, okay, the person gets the product, you get the payment, and it's digital, either in your PayPal, in your Stripe, Cash App, whatever, however it's the company's paying out, but that can be fast as well. I want to share with you what I have found to be the fastest. I want to share with you what I have found to answer those three questions, where I have hardly had any type of kickback when I've told people about it. Remember, is it easy? We want to check yes. Can you do it? We want to check yes. Does it work? We want to check yes. Yes? Okay. So that's referral programs. So last year, I started getting serious about how can I share with people that I've never really shared with before, people like you who work full time, how you can make extra money. I've never really targeted it. Okay. And I found that referral programs are the fastest. So let me give you an example. There's a lot of companies out there that will pay you to be a customer, and they will pay you to bring them more customers. I call it customer acquisition. I think that's an old school term, but that's what I call it. You're helping companies acquire new customers. Okay. So companies will pay you to be a customer, and they will pay you to bring them customers. Yes. So in the past, I've told you about a bank card, a debit card. You add $40, they'll add $20 to your debit card balance. All right. There's a bank, which is the one that is really worth your time, because that bank card that I was telling you about, it's not fast. So we want the fastest. Affiliate marketing, you can get paid fast. Digital products, you can get paid fast. Referral programs, you can get paid the fastest. Let me tell you how. So there's a bank that I've been telling you about. When you create a free account and you add $50 in 30 minutes, which is, I've been timing this, in 30 minutes, they will add a $25 bonus deposit in your account. Boom. So they've paid you $25 to be a customer. Now, when you refer family, friends, people on social media, people on your email list, when you share this and they do the same thing, create an account, add 50 from their debit card, they'll get $25 deposit. You will get a $75 deposit. And that normally comes into your account within about 30 minutes. That's the fastest way for you to get paid. All right. Now, why is this so important? One, it's easy. Why is it easy? Everyone that you know, that you are around, even your children, even your babies who are in elementary, they all have the concept of they know what banking is. They know what a checking account is. They know what a debit card is. They know how to create these accounts. They know how to use a debit card. They know how to receive deposits. They know how to spend money. So there is no learning curve at all. This is what makes this referral program so easy. Affiliate marketing and learning how to promote digital products, there's a learning curve. All right? There's a learning curve. Creating a bank, your colleagues, they know how to do that. Easy. They got their ID, they know their address, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So is it easy? Yes, it is. Can you do it? Yes, you can. Once you create your account yourself and you get your $25 deposit, in the account, they have get your link, get your referral link, and you will copy that link and you'll share it. You can do that. Why is that? You're on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, you're sharing links all day long. You know social media. You can navigate through social media. You can navigate through your email and you can navigate through your text. You can text that link, you can email that link, and you can post that link on social media. So you can do it. There's no learning curve there. You know how to copy a link and you know how to share it. Yes and yes. Finally, does it work? Yes, it works. Why? Because it's not based on you doing any work. The bank does everything for you. All the bank is asking you is when you share this link, we're going to add $25 to their account. We're going to add $75 bonus deposit to your account for every person that you refer up to $10,000. Once you reach $10,000, you can't refer anybody anymore. Yes and yes. So this is the fastest way, my friend, for you to make money. And I'll end with this. The reason why I believe it's the fastest way, because there's no learning curve. You don't have to set up a capture page. You don't have to set up an email marketing campaign. Those are things that we'll talk about in another video. There's no learning curve. You do the work, create your free account, add the 50, get your $25, copy your link, send that to people, and every person that goes through those steps, you'll get $75. There's no learning curve. Okay? All right. So, with that being said, go to this website, check out what I've been telling you about, do your due diligence. I'm advocating for you. I know this is an area that you can do while you're working full time. You can be earning money while you're working full time, while you're looking for a job, while you're spending time with your family. And more importantly, you can be in control of your side hustle money. Yes and yes. All right. Thank you for your time. Many blessings.